Good morning! Another beautiful day! Today I'm planning to make shortbread. Simple and easy. Just using 3 ingredients. Okay, so what are those 3 ingredients? Just 250 grams of butter. And I have here 3/4 cup of icing sugar and 2 cups of flour. Very simple. We just mix all this. I'll just heat up first the butter to melt it a little and mix it with the icing sugar. And once that's all emulsified, then we can mix in the flour. I just place this butter in microwave for a minute and it's all ready to be mixed with the icing sugar. So we'll just put in the 3/4 cup all in and mix it until fluffy, creamy. Okay, so the consistency of our mixture is very good now. It's ready to be mixed in with flour. Okay, so we'll just pour in the 2 cups. If you guys want to add vanilla flavor in this, you're welcome to do it. Just add a couple of teaspoons of vanilla essence and it would all be alright. Okay, so I'm just mixing in the flour with our icing sugar and butter mix. And you guys will know that it's ready once all the white flour have mixed in with our colored yellow butter mixture. Alright, so this is how it would look once it's all mixed in. And after this, I'll just grab a sheet of baking paper and then we'll roll this in there. So I'm just putting the mixture on a sheet of baking paper. And then we'll roll this. Alright, so I rolled our dough and depending on what shape you guys want, either a square or circular, then you can do that. But before we cut, I'll just place this a few minutes in the fridge. While this is in the fridge, I'll just heat up the oven to 150 degrees and line a couple of baking trays with baking paper. Okay, and then we'll cut this in a bit. Alright, so I placed this around 30 minutes in the fridge and it's ready to cut. I'll just remove this and then cut and place it in our tray lined with baking paper. Okay, so we have our first tray done. All I did is just cut this And then I place that in the lined tray. And then place the tray in the oven. So like this one is ready to be placed in the oven, and we have our temperature at 150 degrees centigrade. Just place here, and then I'll place the other tray at the bottom. And then it's about 25 to 30 minutes in the oven. So 25 minutes have passed since we put the first tray in there. I'll just turn and, oops, no, not like that. I'll turn the tray so that it doesn't get burned on one side. And leave it for 5 more minutes. And 5 minutes is up. This is ready. Let me just grab this. Now it's just right. Next up, for this, once it's cooled, I'll just transfer in this rack so that it will completely cool. And once that's done, then we can transfer to the cookie jar. And all set for enjoying it. So guys, if you enjoy the video, I'm sure this is easy enough for everyone. Even kids can do this actually. So try it and let me know how you go. And please press the thumbs up so that I know that you guys are enjoying the videos that I'm making. Also, please don't forget to subscribe. And that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoy that. Until next time, and thank you for watching.